Here we go. Happy Sunday, everybody. It is time to pick the coin for the day and then pick who won that 64 Kennedy. So here's all the remaining coins. Here's all the remaining chips. We'll throw them in a bag. Mix it up real good. Grab one, rotate it around, and we'll pick one. Number 13. So let's go to the spreadsheet. We'll see what number 13 is. And it is a Merc dime. All right, so we'll put that there. Oh, today's the 15th. There we go. All right, so there's the 15th. So let's go see who won the 90%er from yesterday. So here we are with the video from yesterday. Let's copy that, put it in here. Comments, there are 160, so going up every day. See what the ad is today. Rescue assist, there you go, and start. So remember, you have 7 days to contact me. Also remind you guys that tonight is the box battle. Daryl USA, congratulations. All right, Daryl, so you have 7 days to contact me. My email's down below as always. But then remember, tonight is the box battle. So please come watch us there at Sunday, 6 p.m. Central Time. And we will see you guys all tomorrow.